Subject 3910. We've come to dance with you again, because there are quotas that we aren't keeping. We'll never meet them if you're left sleeping. And if the summer themes we beamed into your brain still remain, it's just the sound of silence. We kept you dreaming peaceful while we arranged our portal tiles neath our heartless masters' watchful eye. You'll cheat that for us to analyze, or you'll be stabbed by the spikes of a moving wall that crush your skull. There's just the sound of silence. And when you reach the exit door, you'll find 10,000 chambers more. Although we're not sure what that data means, you'll face acid pits and laser beams as machine guns wing and turrets sing your name as they take aim. It's just the sound of silence for your mortal dying name. Each catwalk, each segments you came. Hear our words and try to understand. We do what we must because we can. And when you're bested by your tales turn them to fall, as do they all, you heed the call of silence. Wonder one day mountain for the traffic she made. And should you reach the day your science is done, you'll assume the party position and be escorted to the room full of cake and definitely not full of flames. But if there's pain, your screams are just the sounds of silence.